Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today, sobrang exciting ng adventure natin kasi we are heading to one of the most beautiful hidden gems here in Bulacan, the DRT 13 Falls. Super chill lang ng trip na to guys and I can't wait to share the experience with you all. So tara, let's go! Alas 5 ng umaga guys, so nagkita-kita kami sa meetup ng mga kasama natin sa Novaliches. Habang naghantay tayo, nakita ko si Team Wankiao.
Kasama ko na si Paul Mototech, waiting kami kay Boss Sek, tsaka kay Boss Ens, tsaka kay Sir Wilson. Ang tatagal niyo po. Ride safe.
5:30 AM nang rumonda kami guys sa destination namin. Alright, so DRT stands for Doña Remedios Trinidad, kung saan na-dedicate yung area na to for its natural beauty. But the main highlights for today is the 13 Falls, which is said to be one of the most scenic falls in the region. Excited na ako makita to in person. Maganda ang daanan dito guys, pero ingat lang sa mga hams na di pansinin. So exactly 7 AM nakarating na kami sa Barangay Minuyan, Bulacan at nag-stop over na din tayo para magpainit ng sikmura. Maya-maya lang guys, umalis na din kami at bago mag 8 AM na dumating kami sa arko ng DRT kung saan maraming nakatambay na motorista. At konting biyahe pa guys, maya-maya lang dumating na tayo sa barangay kung saan malapit na ang 13 Falls. Hindi mawawala ang mga rough roads gaya nito, kaya triple ingat pa din para sigurado. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa parking area ng DRT. Super accessible dito guys. So if you are from Metro Manila, it's just few hours drive and for sure, you're gonna get that well-deserved naturescape na perfect for the weekend. So kung gusto niyo rin mag-explore dito guys, one thing I love about the 13 Falls is that you don't need to be a professional hiker para makapunta. It's easy to trek, pero of course, make sure to wear comfortable shoes ha, because we are gonna get little muddy in some parts. Huwag kalimutan magdala ng tubig and some snacks kasi medyo matagal din yung trek natin. Look at that view guys. Tignan nyo naman ang nature around us. Parang it feels like we are a world away from the city, right? Super calming and grabe ang fresh ng hangin dito. Malapit na tayo, konti na lang. Finally mga kamoto, we've reached the 10 Falls. Parang hindi na namin kaya sa 13 Falls kasi ubos na din yung time natin. Grabe guys, look at this view. The water so clear and the sound of the falls super relaxing, di ba? You can hear the water crashing down from the rocks. Tapos ang lamig pa ng hangin. Ang ganda, di ba? You can even take a quick dip kung gusto nyo. Just make sure to be careful kasi may mga malalalim na parts. You can also enjoy the view from different spots. If you are into photography, perfect ito to take some shots for your feed. Honestly, this is one of those trips na walang pressure guys. So you just enjoy the beauty of nature and I feel like this place is perfect if you want to disconnect from noise and just vibe with nature for a while. One of the reason guys why I love DRT is that it's quiet. Of the beaten path destination, maraming people go to the more popular spots, but here you get a sense of peace and tranquility. Anyway, I hope you enjoy guys this quick trip to DRT 13 Falls. Okay guys, balik muna tayo. Bakit nga ba tinawag na 13 Falls? So guys, dito kami sa DRT. Anong ang tawag dito sa 13 Falls? 13 Falls ng DRT. So ito pang 7 na falls sa dinaanan namin. Galing kami sa taas. Ito yung tour guide namin. Boss, bakit tinawag na 13 Falls to?
Kaya po tinawag po na 13 Falls para din po kasi hagdan na pataas po kasi ng pataas sa mga falls na mini falls para mga falls.
Yan guys, pag nagawi kayo dito sa DRT, hanapin mo lang si Guy. Ano pangalan mo, boss?
Alan.
Oh, tour guide namin si Boss Alan. Hanapin mo lang sa barangay. Anong barangay, boss?
Barangay Kamachin.
Barangay Kamachin. Thank you, boss. If you want to add it to your bucket list, definitely make time for this. It's such a hidden gem in Bulacan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more travel vlogs like this one, see you on the next adventure. Take care and always explore responsibly. Bye!